Hunters Point, Amapisi, home of greyhounds hunting and racing videos. Enjoy, guys. We also need your comments on if the dogs were trying or they failed. It helps someone to understand if they're a good dog or not. It also helps someone to acknowledge the breed. They can try the breed. That's the evidence that we need from Hunters Point to just tell us if the dog is performing or not, if it's khaki or not. Enjoy, guys.
Yeah. Iza now la. Lapho iza we. Yekinja nje uye ku jump. Iza ngapha. Iza kancane kanje. Uyabona? Hayi uvuse. Hayi mnandi. Vusinogwaja we. Vusinogwaja. Ukhiphe phasi. Yazi mina ngiyokhipha ngiyabona ngiyawusaba. Izoshesheza ubambe. Dumela ungezi nezinto izoshesheza ubambe. Mthabela wena uthinte. Ufuka ukhipha ngenja. For ini? Ukhahlela ukhahlela ngeke sishiwe ilento. Wena khahlela unogwaja. Hayi. Now yeah.